Hello, I'm Lee.
And I'm Wally.
And this is Summer. And we are Three for the Road RV. This is Foodie Friday.
Foodie Friday.
Yum.
Yeah.
Hello, roadies. Another Foodie Friday is here. And today I'm going to be featuring a special kind of cheesecake that has been featured at the Benihana's steakhouses in certain locations. And I actually found this recipe online at a website that is basically called Top Secret Recipes. And basically what they do is share different kinds of clones type recipes from famous restaurants and such. And I found this one, and it's one of our family favorites. It is called Mandarin Orange Cheesecake. And it is really light and fluffy. There's no baking involved except for the crust. And today's version, I have done a sugar-free, gluten-free. And it actually turned out pretty good. The crust, on the other hand, was kind of a little bit iffy. Not everybody I served it to was really impressed. Wally and I and Summer don't mind it because we're used to the different kinds of flours that we use. But some of the other people, they just weren't sure about it. However, the rest of the cheesecake turned out absolutely great. So I am going to show you the original recipe as well as the way that I made it this time around. So enjoy your Friday, and you'll have to let me know if you tried the original version or my new version when you tried to make it, and let me know what you think. So remember to subscribe, like, share, ring the bell, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.